Welcome back to Quick Flutter tutorial. Today's widget is animated icon. Let's create in the middle the animated icon. Let's start with the play pause icon button. So let's come up to the top and create an animation controller to handle animation. Since we haven't initialized it, let's assign it a late tag on this. Now let's initialize it in our init state with some animation duration. Progress is used to control the animation. I'm going to have to create a boolean. Now, when you are using any sort of animations in your Flutter project, we have to add this bit of code to your state up here. Let's wrap animated icon with gesture detector to handle tap event.